So today I am going to show you how to clean Cal's feeding tube site and his catheter site. So in the bathroom, there's a basket on the top shelf. It's a white basket. That's where I keep the washcloths. And so I just go grab one and I wet the washcloth. One end of the washcloth I use for the feeding tube site. The other end I use for the catheter site. The feeding tube site is just with water and a washcloth. And so you carefully pick up the ends to make sure you're getting this.
I know.
And then with the washcloth, you just wipe away any residue that might be there. Usually there's nothing, no blood, just, I'm not really sure what it is. So then, okay, with the other end, I take, and this is antibacterial soap. And so I just, like a folded side, I just kind of get some soap on there. And then with his catheter, I just wipe the site with the soap. This one, there's often really gross stuff. And then I kind of find the other end and just wipe the soap away. Often there's blood and dried crusty stuff. Yeah. And then that's that. I take the washcloth and I kind of just hang it up in the shower somewhere so it dries.